with my salad. The chicken looks something like this. It is very delicious because I have already tried it. That's why I know. Radvin! Hello, I am back with my Ninja Foodie. I am going to grill some chicken here. So I am going to use the grill pan, and the air frying pan is here. I have cut some potatoes and I am soaking them in some salted water. Here is my chicken thighs. I am going to marinate them now. I have turned my Ninja Foodie on. You just need to press this button to turn it on. Then I have pressed grill because I am going to grill my chicken. I have selected high. If you press grill again, you are going to select max. If you press grill again, you can select low, and it is preheating now. When it is preheated, these lights, they will be full and it will show me that add food. I'm going to tell you how long it takes to do it. I'm adding some lemon juice. I have added some lemon juice. I am adding some nutmeg powder. I'm adding some onion powders. Some cumin and coriander crushed. Adding some cayenne pepper. I'm adding some Kashmiri chili. I'm adding some salt. I'm adding some sumac powder. It's a Turkish seasoning. They crush pomegranate and then make it. And I am adding my ginger and garlic paste. Now I will add some Greek yogurt. And I am definitely going to add some oil, just a little bit. In an air fryer or electronic grill like this, Ninja Foodie, you have to use some hot burning oil like vegetable oil or canola oil. Olive oil will not be convenient if you want to go. I'm going to add my chickens here now. My toddler doesn't like it at all. He is screaming in the background. That's it. I am going to close it. I have closed it and the timer is on now. The timer is showing 10 minutes. So if you put it on high grill, it will take 10 minutes for this chicken to cook. Halfway through, I am going to flip it. When it's like 5 minutes, I am going to flip the chicken. Radvin! Like no, it's okay, Baba. It's okay. There is a temperature option and timer option. When you press grill and the timing appears, you can either increase the timing or decrease the timing using this one. You can either increase the temperature or decrease the temperature using this one. I have pressed grill because I'm grilling my chicken. I am going to air fry some potatoes here. Then I am going to press air fry. Grilling is the easiest and the most and the fastest option, and air frying is a bit slower. I have made a salad while my chicken was cooking. I have added some tomato, some lettuce, some onion, some chili, and I am going to add some honey mustard dressing in it. And that's it. My salad is all ready. Radvin, do you like salad? No. Oh, Radvin doesn't like salad. What do you like, Baba?
No.
Nothing. Everything no. Did you say hello to everyone, Baba? Bye-bye. Did you say hello? Where? with my salad. The chicken looks something like this. It is very delicious because I have already tried it. That's why I know. Bye bye. Oh, what Radvin is doing? Radvin is trying to cut the potatoes. Mommy has already cut the potatoes. I have cut the potatoes. I have soaked them in cold water for 20 minutes. And then I have added some salt, some pepper, and some vegetable oil. I am going to air fry it. I have pressed air fry for like, I have turned it on, pressed air fry. It was preheating now, and after like 3 to 4 minutes, it's showing me to add food. I am going to add my French fries here.
Oh my god! I got this!
I'm going to even them out. That's it. I am going to close the lid, and it's showing 20 minutes. In another like 10 minutes, I am going to look at it. I was trying to cook the French fries for 20 minutes. Halfway through, I have flipped them, and 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. They are burned. Oh. I have put the French fry for a good 20 minutes, and you can see that I have burned them a bit. If you put them in the air fryer for like 15 to 18 minutes, that's great. That would be great. They look and taste like the French fries when you usually cook them on an air fryer. They're nice. They're nice. Not bad at all. Radvin.